You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from French and from fashion, make sure to stay tuned. So this is an ornamentation on a woman's clothes. It comes from French, frou-frou. Yes, OU in French is like double O, frou-frou. That's the French pronunciation. Therefore, in English, similarly, it's pronounced frou-frou. Sometimes the spelling is a little bit different, as two words with a hyphen in between, frou-frou, frou-frou, frou-frou. It's easy, and now you know, frou-frou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.